and also as the cabinet minister, I've tried my best, sir. Even now, we have really we have done a lot, and we thank the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, Masnya Balakar. But still, sir, there are a lot of things to do. So, sir, as your younger brother, sir, and also as the advisor, as a person, as a resident of this village, sir, so will humbly, sir, will request you, if possible, to support us in order so we can really beautify this area. And our focus in the coming days is not only on the spiritual or religious, we want to project it as a
structuring action and initiative according to the principle established by
lead us with pride, strength, and the blessing of our forefather.